Good day, everyone. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to download the Medium app and create a Medium app account. I've noticed that some new contributors, instead of publishing their articles on Medium, they just drop their articles on the comment section and they write about Mates task. So today, I'll be showing you how to create a Medium account, how to download the Medium app and create a Medium account. So the first thing we're going to do is to go to our either Play Store for Android OS or Apple Store for iOS and search for Medium. So you open your Play Store and search Medium. That is the Medium app right there. When you've found it, you install it. After the installation is complete, we proceed to then open the app. Once we've opened the app, it will bring up different options that we can use to create our account. But the easiest way to create an account is to sign up with Google. After clicking that, it will bring up all the Google accounts linked to your phone. So you can choose the one you want. So I've chosen the one that I don't already have an account with. So it asks me, should you continue as a worker? And you click continue as who you are. And immediately it will bring up the home page and it will ask you what your interests are so it can tailor the content that will be available. So let's choose programming, cryptocurrency, and psychology, and we'll click continue. And after that, it will ask you, it will recommend pages that you should follow. You can either follow them or skip. And it will ask if you want the premium version. If for now, let's just go straight. You don't need the premium version, so you can just click the cancel sign at the top left of your screen. And to create an article, you simply click the green right icon, and there you go. Your Medium account is all set up.